Hey, this is Jeff Warnow. Today I'm so excited about giving you guys free access to my AI Overview Optimizer plugin for WordPress, okay? Most websites out there are not ready and set up to rank in Google's AI Overview or any overviews in different AI search engines, okay? So basically what I did is over the past few months, that's why people haven't heard from me for a while, I have been building this WordPress plugin that helps you guys get more traffic and leads and sales to show up in the AI overview with my free AI Overview Optimizer plugin for WordPress. Okay, so what does it do? It improves your AI overview readiness, FAQs, headlines, direct answers, and SEO content structure in minutes. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm not going to show you how to install it or anything like that. That will be the demo area. I'm just going to show you, I already have it installed in one of my sites, my test sites. I'm going to show you how powerful this is. Really simple. And then once I show you all this, then you can click the link below this video and you can sign up and add your name and your email address and you get access to this for 100% free. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my site. Okay, and what I'm going to do is go to one of my posts. Okay, and this works in post and pages. Okay, so I'm not going to show you in the pages because it's the exact same thing in posts. So basically I'm just going to pick out one of these articles here. So let's just pick out this one right here. This thing is so simple to use, it's not even funny. So here we go right here, the best AI marketing strategies for small business. Okay, here's the article, a test article that I have here. So we scroll down here and we look at everything and then we come down here. Okay, this right here has 10 different functions, okay, 10 different features. You can click on any single one of these and get information that you need to improve your AI overview readiness, okay? So you can rank in AI overview in Google and other search engines, okay, that use AI overview, okay? So what we do is we just come right over here and click on AI Readiness Score. Super simple. You just click on that, comes down here, and it gives you the little grading scale right here. This is 33%. So it shows you the direct answer near the top. It looks good. So right here, you can see it needs an FAQ, key takeaways, heading structure, meta description it needs, internal links, and list steps. Okay, so you can see these other ones are good. So what you can do is you can come over here and you can click on generate. And then what happens is right here, you can see right here, it's generating. And then you can take this information right here, you can copy and paste it, and you can put it like right above here, and you can add that information. And as you add it, basically your score is going to go up, okay? And then what you can do is, once you've made changes, you can rescan it, okay? Then basically, if you just want to kind of go one by one, because like I said, there's this right here where you get the total score. So you just go right here where you can see it, and there it shows you the same because none of these things have been changed. But you can click on any one of these, like I said. You just click right here, and let's say lists, okay? You just click right here. And now it's generating more information for your blog posts. That's going to help you get into AI overviews in Google and other search engines so much easier. Okay, so you can see right here, you can see title, optimization, all that stuff right there. So it's super simple. So if you want to go down here, like I said, the best place to start is AI Readiness Score. And go there so you can see actually what it is. And then as you make these changes and take the information that you have down here, you just copy and paste it, and then you put it in your WordPress post right here, and then the score goes up as you fix these errors, okay? But like I said, you can play with any one of these. If you just want to, like, let's say you know, like, it's always going to tell you what you have to fix, okay? You know, you can come down here if you want, and you can just press, you know, right here to content suggestions. And what it will do is we'll look over your article and it will just give you suggestions on, you know, how you can make it better in other ways. So you'll see it here in just a sec, right here. So you just scroll down here and it will just tell you different information of how you can make it even better. Okay. Just give you just technical information, you know, images and alt text. You know, the summary right here just gives you more information, but everything is super simple. So let's say you have an article that you haven't posted yet. Okay. So I have an article right here. So I'm just going to take this right here. I'm going to take the title because we have this one area that's just a standalone part where you can just go here. You can add the title, or you can just click on one to here, speak, and you can, you know, write your own thing and test it. And then you just come over here and you just copy your article right here. And then you just copy it right here, and then you just go to the standalone, You just paste it right here, and then you can come down and you can go Readiness Score. And then if you come down here, you can see this score right here is a 44 out of 100. And then you can click on any one of these right here, key takeaways. And then right here, it's generated right here. And it's generated with ChatGPT, with your OpenAI API key. And it is super cheap. Like literally, you can use this. Every time you use this to click on anything, it doesn't even cost pennies. It's like 1/100th of a penny. It's super, super optimized to help you guys, and it's not going to cost you hardly any money, literally. Okay. Super, super easy. But like I said, in the demo, I'll show you how to do that. So here it is. We just clicked on key takeaways. Okay. And it shows us right there that you could actually just copy these right here and you could just paste them right in. And then right here, like I said, we go here to the Ready Score again. And then what you do is you just click on any one of these right here. And you can even still go back. Like you can click on, how it says short paragraphs. Everything looks good there. But if you want to, you can just come up here in any one of these, but it's already telling you what you need to fix to get your score up. So like if you fix all these right here, then you're going to get closer to the 100%. Okay. So it's super, super simple. I'm so, so excited. Like I said, if you guys have any kind of questions at all, you can send us a support ticket or post it below this video in the YouTube comments. We are here to help you guys. That's why we built this plugin. That's why I've been away for a while and no one has seen me on YouTube and other places, because I've been like trying to figure out how I could help people get into more AI overviews with our AI Overview Optimizer that we've developed just recently. Okay. So all you have to do is click the link below this video. Okay. And what you'll do is you just click right here, name your email address, click yes, I want to download now. And it will take you right to the page where you need to confirm your email, and then it'll take you to the thank you page. And like I said, I hope you enjoy this free AI Overview Optimizer plugin for WordPress. We're here to have success and help you guys. And make sure you post your successes in the comments area below the YouTube video, because we're so excited to see you guys take your website to the next level. AI Overview is huge. It's taking a lot of people's traffic, and you want to make sure that you show up. So this is Chad Pornoa. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the inside. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.